a delicious Douglas fir cone syrup made with the green cones of the Douglas fir. All you need to do is 2 cups of the young cones to 2 cups of white or brown sugar. The sugar draws the moisture out of the young cones, and no water has been added to this, but you can see how much moisture those young cones have in them. After about 3 to 4 weeks, once they've stopped drawing the moisture out, then you simply bring everything up to a boil, strain, and you have some fantastic syrup. Brown sugar gives you a more subtle taste to the syrup, and white sugar gives you a little bit more pronounced pine cone syrup. 2 harvesting windows for your Douglas fir cones. And to know that you've got Douglas fir, when you look on the cones, it looks like there's a little mouse, the back end of a little mouse hopping into the scales. And that's a great way to tell your Douglas fir. There are 2 harvesting windows. These browner cones are too old to be used. So you have spring and then you have fall. In the spring, you can harvest the young green cones off the lower portions of your Douglas fir. In the fall, squirrels will often help you drop the ones from the top that are still green.